It's the Super Sound Spelling Game with your host, Ms. Frost. Thank you for joining us today, participants. We're going to play the Super Sound Spelling Game. First, let's start off telling you how to play the game. You will need something to write with and something to write on. Okay, so this is how you play the game. I will give you a word. You will write down the letters that make the sounds in the word. Okay, for example, the word dog. I give you the word dog. The first sound in dog is D. D. So you will write the letter that makes the D sound. D, 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 ah, ah. Second sound in dog is ah. So that's O, D, ah, G. Third sound in dog is G, G. The letter G. You do the best you can writing the letters that make the sounds in the word, and then I will show you how it's spelled, and if you get it right, you give yourself a smiley face. That's okay if you get it wrong, because we'll do another word. Okay, let's begin. Our first word, the first two words, are going to start with the eh. They're going to have the eh sound in them. These words will have eh in the word. You ready? Here we go. The first word is fed. Fed. I fed the cat breakfast. Fed. First sound. F. F. Write down the letter that makes the f sound. Okay. Second sound in fed, eh. Eh. The second sound in fed is eh. Write down the letter that makes the eh sound. D. The last sound in fed is D. Write down the letter that makes the D sound. D. Fed. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Okay, let's take a look at the answer. Fed. First sound. Ooh, that's an F. Second sound, eh. Eh. E. D. Third sound is D. That's a D. F, E, D. Ed. All right. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you got it wrong, that's okay. We're going to do another word. Next word also has F. F in the word. Here we go. Next word is hen. Hen. Is the first sound. Write down the letter that makes the sound. Eh. Eh. The second sound in hen is eh. Third sound. D. I'm sorry. Third sound in hen is n. Write down the letter that makes the n sound. Three sounds. N. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Let's find out what the answer is. First sound in hen. It's the H. eh, eh. Second sound is eh. There's that eh. Third sound, eh, hen. 3 letters, 3 sounds. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't get it right, that's okay. We're going to do a new word. Okay, next word, the next 2 words are going to have the ah sound in them. Ah. So we're going to make words with the ah sound. Okay, here we go. First word, cap. Cap. A cap is a kind of hat. Cap. First sound in cap. K. K. Write down a letter that makes the k sound. Second sound, ah, k, ah. Write down the letter that makes the ah sound. P, p. Write the letter that makes the p sound. 3 sounds, k, ah, p. 3 letters. Let's see what the answer is. First sound in cap. This one, it's the C. You might have written a K, which is still a letter that makes the K sound, but in this word, it's the C. K. Second sound, A. K, A, P. Third sound, P. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't, that's okay. We're going to do another word with the A sound. Here we go. Next word is nap. Nap. My cat likes to take a nap. Here we go. First sound in nap. Second sound. Ah. Ah. Third sound. Ah. P. 3 sounds, 3 letters. Nap. Here we go. First sound in nap. It's the letter N. Second sound. Ah. Ah. There's that ah. Ah. Third sound. Nap. Nap. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you didn't, that's okay. We're going to do another word. The next word has the I sound. I. Okay, here we go. The word is rid. Rid. Like to rid the house of those pesky flies. Get rid of those flies. Here we go. Rid. First sound. R. 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 Second sound. I. I. R. I. Third sound. D. D. R. I. D. Three sounds, 3 letters. Rid. Let's see what the answer is. Okay, here we go. The first sound in rid. R, r, r. Letter R. R. I. Second sound is I. It's the I. R. I. D. Third sound is D. There's that D. R. Id. 3 letters, 3 sounds. Rid. If If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If you got it wrong, it's okay. We've got one more word. Okay. This word starts with, it doesn't start with, it contains a. This has the sound. It's one word. It's going to be a little bit longer than these other words. Okay, last word. Bugs. Bugs. My cat likes to eat bugs. Bugs. Here we go. Bugs. First sounding bugs. B. B. Write down the letter that makes the B sound. Write down the letter that makes the sound. B. Next sound. G. G. Third sound is G. G. Last sound, S. That letter that makes words plural. Makes them be more than one. S. B. G. S. Bugs. 4 sounds, 4 letters. Let's find out what the answer is. Bugs. First sound in bugs. B. B. It's the letter B. You may have gotten confused and written your B with the bump this way, which would be a D. That's okay. If you meant for it to be a B, just fix it. B. B. G. There's that letter G. B. G. S. S. Letter S means there's more than one. Makes it plural. B. G. S. Bugs. 4 sounds, 4 letters. If you got it right, give yourself a smiley face. If not, that's okay. As long as you did your best, that's what's most important. I hope you had fun playing the Super Sound Spelling Game. I hope that you can join us next week for another round of the game. Try to join us on Thursdays when we play on Zoom Live. Goodbye, everybody.